that got there. This is a review on my truck tux. Funny name, they're my truck pajamas. See here we got the yellow truck. This is the front view. It's the yellow truck from a side view. It's the orange truck from a side view. It's a little cut off from there. Okay. What are you doing? Who's that? Who are you? Shit. Scared me. Spooky guy, whoever you are. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Lay's chips. Let's see what we got. Olive oil. Aluminum foil. Vaseline oil. Get out of here. Shoot. Hey, shoot, shoot, shoot. Canola oil. And freezer bags. It's my favorite. Oh, look at those strawberry flavored bags. I'm gonna put everything else back in. There's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, okay, didn't see that coming. Okay, move here. Oh, sweet. I love cottage inn. Smells delicious. Just goes. Oh. Okay. Oh, I got my daily fixing. Nightly fixing. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I love this stuff. Cottage inn. Gonna be a tough guy to get that open. Good stuff. Stuff right there. Good stuff. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh. I love, yeah, I love that. It's my brand right here. Can't pronounce it, but you know. it's meant to be. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, I love this. That's my favorite. Oh, no, it's the same one. Silly me. Oh, this is the good guy right here. Oh, Nature's Promise. I thought that was Nature's Promise. That's the good kind. Like this fish bait for people. But this is USD, fruit. So, you know, not my kind of food. If you know me, you'd understand. Apple and Eve. More of an Adam and Eve guy myself. Oh. That's good. Good stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna. This is a night tutorial and a review on these truck pants. So it's 2-in-1, I guess you could say. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open these. So just sit tight. Okay, so you start with, wow, that's how much they put in there. It's a lot. You start with some of these guys. Then you get the they're lightly salted, so you don't want to use too many, otherwise you'll get sick. Okay, next we're gonna get a nice petal of this flower. Scrumptious. Okay, and part of a leaf. Now we're gonna get our cottage in. There we go. What are you doing here? Get out of here. Wow. Jeez. Okay. Next we have the oh no, we don't want to use that. We got a great value. Fine red wine vinegar. Hold on. Just add a little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of it. Just a tiny bit. Okay, that's good. Just a little bit. I can smell it from here. Let me get some cream of tartar and just open that up. Look at that. Yeah, just pour just a lot of that. You want this thing loaded with tartar. There we go. Call this one the old neck holder. Shit. No, I don't. Okay, let's put that back. Okay. Now, bon appetit. That is good. So, tutorial on how to make a good, wholesome family meal in under 12 seconds. Thank you. This has been Dr. Professor Dr. Professor Tyler's quick meal tips. Thank you. I said thank you.